Welcome to another video on the channel. On this one we'll be working on a car from the 1980s, a BMW 524 TD from 1986, featuring the iconic kidney grills flanked by the quad headlights and an assertive bumper that's both elegant and aggressive in my opinion. Another part worth mentioning on the car is the beautiful chrome trims around the windows and the rear headlights. In this video we'll be cleaning the car a bit since it's quite dirty from when it was delivered. Then we will begin by preparing the car for rust repair and repainting, generally making it much better than it was before. First we will rinse the car and start with the rims. I will only show one side so we don't get too repetitive. I continued by taking off the interior seats. They were in a horrible condition and I did do an experiment to see which product cleans it better, but they're going to be reupholstered anyway. I took off the wheels to further inspect the wheel arches and clean them with a very pleasant result. Again, filmed only one side. After I finished with the wheels, I continued to the interior, removing all the parts needed to strip the interior. The floor mat is torn with a hole on the driver's side, but it did clean up pretty nicely though, and it could be repairable. But it looks like it might be changed for another matte color or a custom made one. Don't know yet the plan, but we will see soon. I washed down the car one last time with some good soap and did a simple rinse after on all the parts we removed to remove the dirt, bugs and stains. just the beginning of this project, and we have many more things to do on this car. If you like this video or would like to see other videos like it, like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.